In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up checkout on Squarespace. To get started, log into your Squarespace website dashboard and look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll want to click Settings. This is where Squarespace keeps the main controls for your site, including store and checkout options. So it's the right place to begin if you want to customize the buying experience for your customers. Once you're inside Settings, click on Selling. This section contains the tools related to your online store, including product sales, payment flow, and the checkout experience. If you're setting up an online shop or refining how customers place orders, this is one of the most important areas to know. From the Selling menu, click Checkout. Here, you'll find the options that control what customers see and do when they're finalizing a purchase. This is especially useful if you want to collect a little more information during checkout without making the process confusing. Next, click Additional Fields. This section allows you to expand the standard checkout form and request extra details from customers when needed. It's a good idea to be thoughtful here because asking for the right information can improve order accuracy, but asking for too much can slow people down. Now, turn on Enable Custom Checkout Form. Once this is enabled, Squarespace will let you create and manage a customized form for your checkout page. This is helpful for businesses that need specific order details, preferences, or customer information that isn't included in the default checkout setup. After that, edit the form name. Choose a clear and simple name so you can easily recognize what this form is for later. A straightforward label makes your store settings easier to manage, especially if you update things often. Then click Add Form Field. This is where you begin building out the custom information you want to collect. Squarespace gives you a few practical field options that fit common checkout needs. At this point, you can choose from field types like email, name, and address. Select the option that best matches the information you need from the customer. Try to keep your selections relevant to the purchase so the form stays useful and easy to complete. After choosing your fields, you can add a note. This is a great place to give customers a short instruction or explain what kind of information you want them to enter. Keeping the note brief and clear can help reduce mistakes and improve the checkout experience. When everything looks good, click Save. That will apply your custom checkout form settings and make your updates active. It's always a smart idea to review the form afterward to make sure it looks clean, makes sense, and supports a smooth checkout process.